Hello, and welcome back to our partner training series presented by ServingIntel for your point of sale system. In today's video, we will continue to discuss and explain the features and operations of our item maintenances. More specifically, today we will be learning how to utilize our mass attribution feature of our item maintenances. But before we get into the nuts and bolts of how to utilize this great feature, let's first learn exactly what mass attribution does for us. The mass attribution feature allows the user to define item properties for multiple items in a single event. Using the mass attribute function, users may define discounts, modifiers, pricing, print option, and ingredients, as well as general properties for a selected group of items. The mass attribute settings window uses checkboxes to denote how item settings will be applied. When two checkboxes appear, the first checkbox in the use column denotes that the function will be applied in the mass attribute, while the second checkbox denotes either the activation checked or deactivation unchecked of that setting. Both boxes must be checked in order to activate a setting. To deactivate or remove a previously set option, check the Use box and leave the second checkbox unchecked. So with that in mind, let's take a look at the different tabs and the items in each tab that are available for mass attribution. For detailed instructions on the functions of each individual tab, make sure you check out the subsequent videos in this series. But for today, to begin our process, we'll start in our back office. Once there, we'll click the maintenance icon, followed by the item maintenance icon. This will bring us to our item maintenance configuration window. Once here, we'll click Edit and select Mass Attribute from the drop-down list. And this action will bring us to our mass attribution window. And as you can see, the Discounts tab is displayed by default and allows the user to select discounts to enable. Discounts in this tab are populated directly from your discount maintenance. Next, we'll take a look at the General Information tab. To do so, click the General Information tab to display general item settings. Settings shown in the General Information tab are taken directly from the item maintenance configurations. And next, we'll take a look at the Modifiers tab, and we can see that the modifier settings that are available for mass attribution located here. And then moving on to the Pricing tab. The Pricing tab is used to display pricing options. We can see quite a few different options for mass attribution here. And finally, we'll move over to the Print Options tab and see that users can enable printers as well as configure print color for multiple items. So as you can see with this brief overview, there are a lot of things that can be mass attributed throughout your system. But be careful when you are making broad sweeping changes to your database like this. Remember, there is no undo button. So make sure you tune in to our next few videos in this series to learn how to utilize each one of these tabs that we just looked at. And before you leave, don't forget to click the link below and subscribe to the ServingIntel channel. That way you can stay up to date on the latest tips, tricks, and new technologies available to you from ServingIntel. And as always, if you encounter any issues with this or any aspect of your system, please call the ServingIntel Service Desk for 24-hour a day, 7-day a week premium software support by dialing 1-888-477-7711 and selecting extension 2. Support tickets may also be generated by sending an email to service@pos.partners, and your support requests will be handled quickly and efficiently by one of our highly trained and dedicated support staff members. Thank you for tuning in to our partner learning series, and be on the lookout for more helpful videos and tips coming soon. But most importantly, thank you for choosing ServingIntel for all of your restaurant technology needs.